Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Angela and I make beauty videos. I have seriously been struggling to film since yesterday because yesterday there's like all this noise going out outside of my house and it doesn't stop. It does not stop. Today's video is going to be a review. I am back with another palette review. I was going to review this before I reviewed the Huda Beauty one, but I just got really excited with that palette. So if you haven't seen that review yet, it should pop up somewhere around here. This palette, it is so pretty. This literally screams fall. Pretty much today's eyeshadow look came from this eyeshadow palette. I think this barely launched, I want to say last month. I think got this on Ulta for $15. I am the type of person who literally every single day I go onto their new arrivals page, and when I saw this I right away added it. It's a really just like gorgeous palette. This palette, honestly, I don't have anything like this in my collection. It is just so pretty. It screams fall. It comes with, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it comes with 6 matte shades. And then these 3 shades right here, these are more like metallic shades. Much use all these here. And then on my lid I do have this shade. So far I love this palette. I think that it's really just one of those palettes that are very unique and just something that if you don't already have these kinds of colors in your collection, then this is like perfect to pick up. The matte shades, they are honestly the ones that I was kind of a little bit disappointed in was this shade right here. It did not show up pretty much at all. I was trying to use it kind of like as like a brow bone highlighter sort of, but it really didn't come up at all. Shade over here, I think it, I mean, I don't know if it probably had something to do with the brushes that I was using. I had a little trouble like packing it on, kind of getting that pigment to show up. But the other shades that I did use, they are very pigmented. They are very easy to blend out. I did kind of use these in my crease and kind of just went in blending them out. What I really like about Juvia's Place eyeshadows in general is that although they are pigmented, they are easy to like build up. And even if you go in with a heavy hand, they are easy to blend out. So there really isn't like room for you to like mess up your eyeshadow. You just go in, blend it out, and that's fine. The shade right here, I did also use this kind of like on like to like deepen up like the outer V. This one I ended up putting like almost on my whole lid, but it was hard for me to blend it out. I don't know what it was, if it was maybe like the brush like I said, but I mean it still did the job. This shade right here is just like a gorgeous metallic shade. It does not show up that well with the brush. I do recommend for you, if you do pick up this palette, to just go in with your finger and apply the eyeshadow like that to your eye. So it is just super pretty. I love it. I'm really impressed with this palette. Ultimate fall palette. What was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. Palette does retail for $15. I believe I went onto Twitter this morning and I think Trend Mood posted that it is, I think, on sale on the website. So I think that it is going right now for $8. These are just, I honestly like fell in love with this eyeshadow look. Before I shut up, I did just want to do a quick reminder that I do have a giveaway going on right now. I posted my 100 subscriber celebration little giveaway in my October favorites video, so go watch that video. The giveaway is ending this Friday the 8th, so if you haven't entered already, go watch that video, enter, and yeah. So I don't know what else to say. Like, what else did people say in these reviews? Is pretty much I think all that I wanted to touch base on. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already to this channel. Leave a comment below if you picked up this palette, if you like it, or what other palette you've been reaching for that is like perfect for fall time, because I want to know. Just tell me, like, let's chat, let's talk. Before I forget, I was able to pre-order the Jeffree and Shane Conspiracy palette. I wasn't able to get it on launch day because literally it was sold out on Beautylish. It was already like Jeffree's site was not, I mean, I think everyone is like aware of what happened with Jeffree's site. Beautylish was completely sold out. The only thing that I could have gotten my hands on was the black pig mirror that right now I kind of regret not ordering anymore, but anyway. Yeah, so I was able to pre-order it. So excited to get into that palette. As soon as I get that in the mail, he says that they should be shipping out, I think, the last week of November and the first week of December. So hopefully it goes by fast. I'm going to be filming a video with that. Let's get into the whole little mini tutorial testing this out. Let's watch it. So yeah, vámonos, vámonos, vámonos.
10 seconds. Stabilizing. Hibernation activated. All the things we do for dreams. All of the things I do for me. I know the world is saying nobody around to
can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel free